Good morning friends, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Now we are going to start part 2nd of chapter 8 Science. Our first topic is shape of cell. How do you define the shape of amoeba in the figure? You may say that the shape appear irregular. In fact, amoeba has no definite shape unlike other organisms. It keeps on changing its shape. Observe the projection of varying lengths protruding out of its body. These are called pseudopodia. The word pseudo means false and podia means feet. As you learned in class 7th, these projections appear and disappear as amoeba moves or feeds. A white blood cell in human blood is another example of a single cell which can be change its shapes. But while WBC is a cell, amoeba is a full organism capable of independent existence. What shape would you expect in organisms with millions of cells? Show the different cells such as blood, muscle and nerve of human beings. The different shapes are related to their specific functions. Generally, cells are round, spherical or elongated. Some cells are long and pointed at both ends. They exhibit spindle shape. Cells sometimes are quite long. Cells are branched like the nerve cell or a neuron. The nerve cell receives and transfers message, thereby helping to control and coordinate the working of different parts of the body. Can you guess which part of a cell gives its shape? Components of the cell are enclosed in a membrane. This membrane provides shape to the cell of plants and animals. Cell wall is an additional covering over a cell membrane in plant cells. It gives shape and rigidity to these cells. Bacterial cells also have a cell wall. Now we are going to start next topic, which is size of cell. The size of cell in living organisms may be as small as a millionth of a meter or may be as large as few centimeters. However, most of the cells are microscopic in size and are not visible to the unaided eye. They need to be enlarged or magnified by a microscope. The smallest cell is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer in bacteria. The largest cell measuring 170 millimeter into 130 millimeter is the egg of an ostrich. The size of the cell has no relation with the size of the body of the animal or plant. It is not necessary that the cell in the elephant be much bigger than those in a rat. The size of the cell is related to its function. For example, nerve cells both in elephant and rat are long and branched. They perform the same function, that of transferring messages. This is next topic, which is cell structure and function. You have learned that each living organism has many organs. You have studied in class 7th about the digestive organ, which together constitute the digestive system. Each organ in the system performs different functions such as digestion, assimilation, and absorption. Similarly, different organs of a plant perform specific function. For example, roots help in the absorption of water and minerals. Leaves has no leaves have, you learned in class 7th, are responsible for synthesis of food. Each organ is further made up of smaller parts called tissue. A tissue is a group of similar cells performing a specific function. Pelly realized that an organ is made up of tissue, which turn are made up of cell. The cell in a living organism is the basic structural unit.